Welcome you all. In this video we have know about how to restart services in Web Host Manager. Introduction. Web Host Manager gives server administrators direct control over essential services like Apache, MySQL, XM, Mail Server, and DNS. Sometimes, after making configuration changes or troubleshooting errors, you need to restart these services to apply updates or restore normal operation. Web Host Manager provides a safe and straightforward way to restart services without using the command line. Steps to restart services in Web Host Manager. Step 1. Log into Web Host Manager. Go to the given hyperlink. Log in with your root credentials. Step 2. Find the Service Restart section. In the left sidebar, search for Restart Services. Click to expand the available options. Step 3. Select the service to restart. Common services include HTTP Server, Apache, for website hosting, MySQL Server, for database-driven websites, XM, for email delivery, DNS Server, for domain resolution. Step 4. Confirm the restart. Click the service you want to restart. Web Host Manager will prompt you to confirm the restart action. Once confirmed, Web Host Manager will automatically restart the service. Step 5. Verify the service. After restarting, check whether websites, emails, or databases are functioning as expected. Conclusion. Restarting services in Web Host Manager is a simple yet critical skill for any server administrator. It ensures configuration changes take effect immediately and helps recover services that are not responding properly. Instead of using complex SSH commands, Web Host Manager offers an easy interface to handle these tasks safely and efficiently, keeping your server running smoothly. Thank you for your listening. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video. This video helps you to understand how to restart services in Web Host Manager.